Even I miss Obet.
Yeah, I miss Gino.
I'm just kidding.
Kakasabi.
Kakasabi lang eh. Delayed? Hindi.
Shit.
Never kami nag-eksena ng kami lang. Actually, they didn't really, no?
Wala na.
Wala masyado. Nakatinginan-tinginan lang. Pero buti na lang kasi...
For lahat ng mga tinginan natin, puto natatawa tayo na.
Oo, eh.
Never na nga tayo nagka-eksena, tapos magtatawanan pa tayo. Eksena.
Sayang di... sorry ah.
Sorry.
Just point at it for us to get it.
Wow, sorry. Sorry, Moy.
Ano sabi niya? Who's that? Oh, Lou. What's up, Lou?
What's up, Lou?
Ganda niyo po, Ma'am Moira.
Hi, Ma'am Lou. I love your TikToks.
Bakit ang pogi niyan? Niyan. Bakit ang pogi niyan? Like,
Pogi niya.
wow. Living things.
Pogi mo, Juan. Super.
Eh.
Jella's here.
Hi, Jels.
Hi, Jella.
Hi, Jels.
Jella and I had an ADHD talk.
When do you not have
How
an
about you say that
ADHD?
online? Hi, Jels. Me and
We had an
Jella
ADHD talk.
talk. Normal lang eh, no? We had an ADHD talk.
Yeah.
Halatang may ADHD.
we were having a serious conversation earlier. And then I got distracted. And then he was like, grabe, sobrang ADHD mo. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda nun.
Sabi ni Jella, cry.
Cry.
Laugh.
Tapos hahaha. Balik Bohol Jiggy Dad Akail, Bitoba.
Oh,
Ano saan na to?
yung tabi?
Ano saan mata magkasing-kasing
Yeah, we
live
haven't
ba?
seen it.
Alam mo, we haven't performed it live yet at
You
all.
did!
Together,
Christmas
not in
public.
special.
No, not in public.
No, we never did Christmas special.
What Christmas special did you watch? Oh my God, Moy. A different channel, a different network?
Kanina ka ba?
Maybe different people, Moy. A different song.
Different network? Sorry po, may ADHD. Balik doon.
Suro sa limasawa.
ADHD to.
Usap kayo na Bisaya.
Sige,
Ayoko nga.
Bisaya na lang pa.
Ay,
hindi.
what commanding, ha?
Commanding
ha?
ka?
Hindi, demanding pala sa
5 minutes, aalis na kami.
Ay, ba't ka naka? Grabe.
Huwag ka magalit.
Eh, CJ, relax lang. Grabe si Ate CJ.
Grabe.
Pwede naman natin pag-usapan ng maayos, Ate CJ. Huwag ganon.
Uy, isipin nilang sama ako.
Really? Really?
Ito yung live yun.
Hey, that's not cool, man. What kind of friendship is this? Harap-harapan, bulungan.
Front stop.
I know, I saw it.
kaya nga.
That's why I was like,
Kaya nga sabi ko po na, bahala na kayo dyan. Shoutout nga pala kay Tata.Lurv na tumatay ngayon.
uy, dumatay ka ngayon. Congrats.
Congrats.
Ilabas mo yan. Bakit? Motivation.
Hoy.
Stop.
Sana may pasabog yung high seat, biglang nabuhay si Obet. Sana. Honestly, sana.
Eh, wala eh. Pinatay ako eh. Sorry.
Moy, can you sing kasing-kasing daw? Go.
Akong kasing-kasing. Hindi.
No, ikaw nga lang daw. Siyempre, alam namin paano kantahin nyo. Kami kumanta nun eh.
I have a...
Kantahin mo muna. Ha? Wow.
I have a third voice in it.
No.
Second voice.
Kantahin mo muna.
Harmony.
Go. Ikaw muna.
Nangako mo kasi.
Kasing-kasing.
Baba naman.
Go na kasi.
Hindi kasi maalala pa.
Yes, hindi niya alam yung kanta. Hindi na maalala yung kantang kasing-kasing lang alam niya doon.
1, 2, 3. Ang akong kasing-kasing Iguba na ni mo Unsan man inato. Wala kang nagpapahangin ka lang. Wala kang ibang ginagawa.
Nagbo-vocalize ka lang eh.
Ka-vulcanizing shop. Ben pala to eh. Paano?
Well, RJ De La Fuente.
Hello, RJ.
Okay. 5,
Isa pa.
6, 7.
Akong kasing-kasing gigubat na nimo unsan man inato tungod nimo kay nahadlok na sad mo higugma usaha. Ay! Tinan mo! Tinan mo!
Di ba? Binabasa niya pa yung lyrics.
Tinan mo ito, CJ!
Kaya pala nakasabay.
Kaya ay!
Kaya pala nakasabay.
Kaya pala confidence!
She thought she was cool.
You need me! You need... Tawa?
I need you. I need you, I need you.
Miss you, boy. I miss you, bro. It's been way too long.
It's been like 3 months since
It's
hindi
been
mo
like
kami
3 months.
nakita. I need you. I need you.
Yeah, you need me.
Oh shit.
Wait, what does he want?
Nanguha, diba?
What does he want?
Huh? Yawa? It means
Devil.
devil. I know, that's why we laugh.
Yeah, that's what we laugh.
And he need me in the forehead.
Oh, it means like putek or something.
No. Oh well, they use it in
Ah,
that.
so tingin mo mas okay lang yun. Akala ko putik lang.
No, it's like yeah, it's like an expression that people use in that manner. But
Oh,
it means
sorry.
devil, right?
What's sorry?
Yeah, means diba? Huh?
Sorry.
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 Sorry, good.
Pasaylo ako, pasaylo ako. Pasaylo ako.
Pasalo ako.
Pasaylo.
Yeah. So, I guess this is it.
Yeah, we're gonna end the live. That's it. Nainggit lang ako nag-live sila. Pero that's it. Bye-bye. How do you end?
Okay, bye.